doing some more work on my battery box. We're actually raising the center step 3/4 of an inch, and that's where the angle iron is going to go right there. And we're raising it because I need a little bit more clearance. These batteries are pretty high, so I want to make sure I have plenty of clearance between the battery terminals and the bottom of the step. So we've just taken out this back part. Use the grinder, cut most of it out, and use the torch to get that little bit out in the corners. And we're ready to go. Putting it back in. I'll be videoing some of it. Okay, we're starting to put some of this stuff in. As you can hear, it's being welded now. And you can see them welding down there. Oh man, what a weld.
We are happy with that. That's looking good.
Man, it really looks good. We'll put the back end in 2 sides, and then we're getting close.
Yeah, that's really sweet.
So we're going to do a few across the top, and we're going to do some under the bottom, as you can see we're doing now.
What's that?
It said getting welding done in the shadow of Dome Rock. This is Brock's bus here. It's a 1964 or 65 Greyhound with only 210,000 miles on it. Well, they usually retire these buses at 3 million miles, so he's got a bus for life. And he's got his bikes, his motorcycle, and all his equipment in the back. As you can see, his really nice bus. It's really, really nice inside compared to my little shuttle. Really, really nice bus. I've been in it a couple times. I like it. Getting close. Now we're putting in the side pieces and getting them welded in, and then I get to go over and fit the front piece and put the battery back in and do all that good stuff. I'll undercoat everything and paint everything a little bit later. Not only welded on top, but they welded underneath also, the angle iron. So very good penetration and solid as a rock. Okay, getting the battery back in slowly but surely. And as you can see, this angle iron is welded to perfection. Looks good. And then I've still got my cross piece across here. I'm going to make a spacer to bring it up to level. And I don't think my lights are going to fit anymore. Not bad, not bad. So I can start getting it back in. I made just for now to keep the dust and dirt out. And then I got to make a new front plate that comes up from here up to the top. And do some wire brushing and some undercoating and stuff like that. I'll wait till I get back on the East Coast to do that, where I've got places to work real well. And I'm probably going to have to take out a little bit of this right here. I'm not sure yet. It looks like I'm going to have to, but that's okay. I can do that too. Okay, on to the next step. Get this hooked up and start getting my battery charged again. Well, the steps are done. Doesn't look any different than the other ones. It's getting windy out here and chilly, so I'm going back inside. Well, can anybody guess what I'm doing today? My purpose-built shuttle is now being used for its purpose. I'm doing some lettering for a friend of mine. He did some welding for me yesterday. I'm going to do some lettering on the back of his 1962 Greyhound bus. So I picked out a few letter styles. And his wording, got his wording straight. I got his wording straight. So this is what we came up with. This goes on the back of a 1962 Greyhound bus. It's been converted into an RV. So I'll be doing that today and putting it on. I just got to get with him to confirm some colors, and we'll go from there. So, as you can see, my purpose-built shuttle is being used what it was made for. This will be going pretty soon here. As soon as I figure out what he needs, and I crank the generator up. I don't have enough battery and inverter, converter, or whatever it is yet to do it without generator. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. This is placed on a 1962 Greyhound bus. It speaks volumes.